Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can use the flashlight on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to your home screen, and from the home screen, if you swipe down at the top to open up the control center, in here by default there should be a flashlight. You can tap on the flashlight icon to turn on or turn off the flashlight. Now if you touch and hold on the flashlight, so if you touch and hold on the flashlight in control center, in here you'll also be able to change the brightness. So if you drag it up to 2 bars or 3 bars or 4 bars, as you fill up all the bars, then the flashlight will become brighter and brighter. Now if I touch and hold onto this, now you can see here if I drag it down, the light will be dimmer or brighter depending on how much brightness that you want. If you go all the way down to the bottom, you will switch it off. And that's it. So you can change the brightness of your flashlight, as well as you can just tap on it to quickly switch it on or off. Now if you do not find flashlight available in your control center, you can go into settings, and in settings swipe up to go down and tap on control center. In here you'll be able to add in the flashlight from the more controls section. So if it has been removed for some reason, you can go in here and add it to your control center, tap on the add button, and that will allow you to add the flashlight to the control center. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.